In this video, we will explore how to perform molecular docking using Autodock on BOINC Central.
So what is BOINC?
BOINC is an open-source middleware system that enables volunteers to contribute computing power to scientific research projects. It allows researchers to harness the processing capabilities of thousands of computers worldwide for large-scale computations. As a high-performance volunteer computing platform, BOINC brings together thousands of volunteer participants employing hundreds of thousands of active computers worldwide. BOINC development began with a group based at the Space Sciences Laboratory at the University of California, Berkeley, and led by David Pope Anderson. BOINC Central is a web-based platform designed to simplify the management and execution of distributed computing projects, such as molecular docking simulations. It provides an intuitive interface for submitting, monitoring, and analyzing computational tasks across multiple computers. BOINC Central is free to use, and it allows researchers to leverage the power of distributed computing to perform complex simulations and analyses that would be infeasible on a single machine. Visit the BOINC Central website and create a free account. This will allow you to access the platform and submit your molecular docking tasks. You will be asked to provide some additional information, such as the research you are doing, that allows us to filter out spam accounts. After logging in, navigate to the Job Submissions section and select Autodock from the list of available molecular docking applications. Prepare a zip archive with receptor maps and a zip archive with ligand files. The receptor maps should be in the format required by Autodock, and the ligand files should be in PDBQT format. Sample archives can be found on the wiki page in the description. Upload zip files containing your receptor maps and ligand files to the BOINC Central sandbox. It is your personal file storage on the server. This page can also be accessed from the Job Submission File Sandbox menu. Uploaded files will be sent to volunteers' devices for further processing in no particular order. Select map and ligand files from the corresponding drop-down lists and fill in the other optional parameters that are applicable to the selected files. Keep in mind, each archive can contain multiple maps and ligands, and the BOINC Central server will automatically create jobs for every pair from these archives. After submitting your jobs, you can monitor their progress in the Job Submission, Job Status section. Here, you can see the status of your jobs, including whether they are running, completed, or failed. You can also view the results of completed jobs and download the output files. After you got the results and save them locally, you can retire batch. This will remove the batch and all jobs within it, including the results. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other tutorials that you might find useful. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from BOINC Central.